Hey guys, welcome to another heavy metal diecast video, and today's beast we have is from Muscle Machines. It's made by Maisto. It is 1/8 scale. It is a 1949 Mercury. Now this thing is a tough looking beast. This unit looks pretty cool. I love that flame job. It is in a nice satin black with some metallic green flames, and also the roof's done in the metallic green as well. It's the typical style. It's got some nice white walls on this one, and it's got the supercharger and everything sticking out. It's the usual deal with the Muscle Machine. Same deal. It just comes in a nice box and has the usual sort of stuff on it. And it's no good in the box. How about we get this monster out and have a real good look at it? Here we have it out of the box. It's the same deal. It just has that little backing thing on the back. You can, whenever you choose to display them on the shelf, you can always use that behind it, or just display it freely like this one. Comes on that usual base. This is quite heavy actually. This has got some heft into it. It does have the usual screws underneath on that base, those 4 screws that you do have to take off. But we'll quickly have a little walk around this while it's on the base. This is what it's going to look like if you do display it on the shelf with that base that it does come on with. And I think, man, this is tough. I really love this one. This looks cool. I love it. Yeah, that is awesome. That is definitely awesome. I just love the flame details. Just the whole stance of this, I think, is really, really nice. All that pinstriping, wow, that is nice. But I reckon, yeah, it's definitely a tough looking unit, and I reckon we should get this off its base. So this is it off its base, and as you can see, wow, it sits nicely. We'll have a look straight underneath, and no doubt it'll be the same as usual. It is a straight line runner, no turning wheels or anything like that. The wheels do spin really freely. There's no problem with that, but it just does have the same. It's just got your pretty basic chassis with just a little bit of moulding of the sump, trans, diff, and tail shaft, everything like that, and just no real detail. It's just slightly moulded and a little bit of colour here and there. But I mean, as I've said before, you're not looking at these underneath. You're looking at these like this, because these have got some bloody shelf presence. These are absolutely awesome. This one I really like. As you saw, we were looking at this for the first time, and this is brand new out of the box. And I've had this for a number of years, but I've just never opened them. But wow, I think that pinstriping is absolutely insane. Yeah, that is nice. And then flame work is really cool as well. Even those white walls, look at the wheel details. It's got some chrome exhaust, and those monster rear wheels there, they look really nice. And we'll have a look at that engine, and look at the detail of that engine. Even the butterflies are matching with the roof with that green as well. I reckon even the little bit of pinstriping on the front on there as well. And the grille detail looks really nice. This satin black is really nice, because black is always a fairly hard colour, I reckon, like a satin to do on anything really, because it can look thin at times when certain manufacturers try and use it. But this black is really thick, looks really nice, coated well, and it's got a lot of colour depth in it. And I think this colour combination too, the metallic green and the black, really good. And those white walls really set it off. I think this is a beast. I love it. It's a nice one. So if you can get your hands on one of these, or already have one, it is a really cool car. This is got a lot of cool. Definitely a lot of cool. But yeah. All right, I'll leave it at that. So once again, this is by Maisto. It's the 1/8 scale Muscle Machine series, and this particular car is a 1949 Mercury, and it's done in the satin black with metallic green accents, and I think this thing is killer, so for sure. So you know the deal. I'll take the happy snaps of this bad boy without the sausage fingers in the way. If you did find the video enjoyable, throw us a like, that'd be awesome, and even subscribe to the channel, if you want to check out more videos, we will do. All right, guys, thank you so much for spending the time with me once again today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. You have a fantastic rest of your day. Cheers, guys. Yeah.